Hey there, TikTok enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to keep your social media game strong. Today, we're diving into something super straightforward but incredibly useful: how to change your username on TikTok in 2025. Whether you're rebranding your account or just want something fresh, this quick guide has got you covered. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your TikTok account on your mobile device, because, as of 2025, this feature is primarily app-based for a seamless experience. Open up the TikTok app and head straight to your profile by tapping the person icon in the bottom right corner. That's your hub for all things personal. Once you're on your profile page, look for the Edit Profile button. It's usually right at the top. Go ahead and tap that. Now, scroll down until you see the Username field. This is where the magic happens. Tap on it, and you'll be able to type in your new desired username. TikTok might suggest some options if your first choice is taken, so keep that in mind for availability. After you've entered your new username, hit the Save button at the top of the screen. TikTok will quickly check if it's available and apply the changes. If everything goes smoothly, you'll see a confirmation message: bam, you're all set. But remember, in 2025, TikTok has some new rules. You can only change your username once every 30 days, so choose wisely. One quick tip: make sure your new username is unique and follows TikTok's guidelines to avoid any issues. No numbers only or offensive words. If you're struggling to find something available, try adding numbers, underscores, or your favorite emojis. And that's it. You've successfully updated your TikTok username and given your profile a fresh new look. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more how-to videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep creating those awesome TikToks.